Today we're breaking down the Puma Stewie 2 basketball shoes. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamsters Kicks, and we got a new Puma basketball shoe in today. It's the Puma Stewie 2. They're Breanna Stewart's second signature basketball shoes. These bad boys are pretty crazy, and Breanna Stewart is crazy. She's a WNBA star, playing on the Liberty right now. She's averaging 25 and 10 this year. She's going nuts, and she's just coming off a 45-point explosion. She played 30 minutes. She was killing it out there, but had to get these bad boys in so we could check them out today. So we got the Puma Stewie 2s in today. If you guys haven't seen a basketball shoe video review, we're going to go through the traction, cushion support, all that good stuff that has to do with these bad boys. I'll let you know what I think about them, how I felt hooping in them. They are pretty nice. I was pleasantly surprised, honestly, with how they played on the court. I feel like a lot of Puma basketball shoes have been similar recently, but these ones are pretty different, so I'm excited to get into these today, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you guys for all the love, support, and let's get into these. So like I said, Breanna Stewart dropped her newest second signature shoe, the Stewie 2s. These bad boys retailed at $125. Not super high, like craze about some of the Puma shoes coming out recently. We had like J. Cole's come out in the past. We had Lamellos, which have been kind of up and down. I feel like my traction on the Lamellos have gone down over time, but we did see shots of the Lamello 3s coming soon. But anyways, $125, like I said, Breanna Stewart's been killing it in these, so I was excited to get these bad boys in. First, with the traction, it's just a nice non-slip rubber outsole with some nice sticky pads along the outsole. So there's kind of three different components to the outsole here. You have back here, it's kind of like a striated, like it's a little bit deeper grooves in there, but it's definitely promoting like forward motion here, and especially with like stopping to like pull up on jumpers, you definitely get that vibe. I got that with these ones. In the middle, it's like a nice like sticky component. As I kind of mentioned, there's like swirls all across that midfoot area, and that definitely is good for like explosion, like going up for like rebounds, kind of stuff like that. And then at the top of the toe box here, you're gonna have more of that kind of like angled movement to help propel you forward. So you say, there's that outsole. It's pretty durable. It's not like anything crazy, but it's just like really a basic like rubber outsole. Like you couldn't get anything different, but I feel like if they did kind of like a Kyrie thing where they come up on the sides, I think it'd be even better. They kind of get it laterally, or medially they have it going in, but if they could get it on the lateral side along here, I think it would do a lot more for like durability as far as, and also like cutting side to side. So that's one thing I wish they did there. Cushion system is composed of a nitro infused midsole. So this nitro infused midsole here, you can definitely see it. It's pretty bulky. It goes basically from here all the way up to the toe. It kind of thins out a little bit and then gets combined with some more here, and like with the outsole here, you have a lot of like impact protection in this back part. So I do like that aspect of it. It's not like the most durable, like already off one play, it's already like kind of like cracking, you could say, and like rubbing off a little bit, like speckling, I guess. But that nitrogen infused midsole, it's like supposed to be for more like explosiveness. Definitely I can feel the impact control when like I'm coming down off like rebounds and stuff like that. So I do like that about them. Other than that, they're not like crazy. Like I do like it, but it's not something that I don't know if I would go back to. I think break-in time with them is going to be important as far as getting like your insole to like kind of like heat the glue up and get it activated so they connect as like one unit all the way down. But overall, it's pretty solid. Materials, the upper is composed of a power tape reinforcement to help with support as well. So that power tape reinforcement is giving a lot of the new Lamello 2 vibes across there. It's kind of a thinner frame, but it also has some textile like scratchy framework all across there to help keep you locked in, and I'll talk about a little bit later with the support with that power tape as well. Some other nods here. The tongue is a pretty nice size. It's uniform throughout. It's a little bit more thick than you would think, but it does have some aeration, some stuff in there to make it so it plays good, feels good, breathable, stuff like that. You have some nods to Breanna Stewart, Stewie, her logo, back heel part, as well as on the tongue. You're gonna have on here with that ruby colorway as well. I love it. I think the colorway is fire with that ruby red, it's like scarlet vibe there. Materials overall pretty solid for me. Fit, and they actually did go extended sizing on these bad boys, so that's why I was able to cop them. I got a women's size 12.5, which is a men's 11, and they fit pretty true to size to me. If you guys are trying to get them, definitely go true to size. No like they fit pretty similar, I'd say, to like a LaMelo Ball shoe. Like they're just a solid, like good basketball shoe. They fit kind of like Adidas, like Dame basketball shoes as well, if you guys into more like Adidas stuff like that. So that's kind of the recommendation there. But I was happy they got extended sizing so I could try them out. But fit good. Finally, with the support, like I mentioned, that power tape reinforcement here, it's not like super noticeable, but it's basically what this textile material is all across here. You kind of have a little bit of the protruding like Puma logos here, as well as like the shinier material here. Just some more reinforcement nods, as well as a little bit extra stuff here on the toe cap for durability. And I like them. I think overall, these are pretty solid. And like support, traction, like top down, like for 125, they're pretty solid basketball shoe. A little more basic than I would like, but definitely Puma did a pretty nice job on these. Traction and cushion system, we're giving both of those an 8 out of 10. I think they could be better. Definitely a bit more durable. I might even say that cushion here like a 7.5, because the durability is honestly not there in the cushion, but I do like the outsole, so the combination really hits pretty solid for me. Materials, an 8 out of 10. They're pretty solid all around, like I said, breathable, like just not too much done on the shoe. They didn't overdo anything. They just got like solid, like top down specs like everywhere across the materials on the upper, so I really like that. 8.5 on the fit, because they just fit really solid, like true to size, no dead space anywhere, just solid like connection from the laces to the tongue in this midfoot area as well, all here nice and contained, so I did like the fit there. And that bleeds into the support as well, which I give an 8 out of 10. They're just like a solid low top basketball shoe. Like Puma did a great job here, not overdoing anything. One thing I would change is a little bit of the durability with that nitro infused midsole, but traction pattern solid. Like you can't ask for much more at 125 retail. Like just a solid basketball shoe that is going to be pretty durable and get the job done hooping indoor and outdoor. So if you guys cop these Stewie 2s, let me know what you think. If you haven't, maybe consider them. They're a pretty solid Puma basketball shoe. Brianna Stewart's killing it as well, so go Liberty. Honestly, they're killing it. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know other shoes that you guys are trying to like see me review, basketball shoes, normal shoes, anything like that. But glad to get that out for you, but we'll see you on the next one.